Hi guys, welcome to SlabWare. My name is Antonio. So for this video, we will be talking about inventory setup. So let's go to the tutorial.
In today's video, we're diving into the inventory section, specifically the setup page. I'll show you how to configure and edit everything related to your bundles, materials, and suppliers. On the left-hand menu, go to Inventory and click on Setup. The setup page opens by default on the bundle section, but at the top, you'll also find the tabs for materials and suppliers. The first option you can configure is how many days should a bundle remain marked as new arrival? You can enter any value or leave it set to 0. Below that, you'll find several checkboxes, such as show bundles without slabs on the front end or hide sold slabs from the back end. You can enable all these options or leave them as they are. Once you finish adjusting everything, click Save in the top right corner. Your changes will be stored immediately. In the quality section, you can define the quality levels for your materials. By clicking New, you can add a new quality type using whatever naming convention you prefer. In some countries, they use levels to qualify their stones, such as level A, level B, and level C. Here I used A+ just as an example for you, but in my case, I set up my qualities as basic, commercial, high quality, and others. If you need to rename a quality, just click the pencil icon next to it, update the name, and then click Save. To delete a quality, click the trash icon. The system will ask you to allocate all bundles currently using that quality to another one in the list. Click on Allocate and Delete, and then confirm by clicking Yes. Next, we have the Thickness section. Here you can enter the thicknesses you commonly work with. In my case, I have values from 1.5 centimeters to 5 centimeters, but you can add any measurement you use in your business. Just click New, type the value, and then click Save. In country of origin, you can list the countries you work with most frequently. Click on New to create a country of origin, and then click Save. Under Location, you can enter where your bundles are stored. You can even add a Google Maps URL to easily view the exact location on the map. Click New to create a location by entering the name and the Google URL. In the Finish section, you can add the material finishes you use most often. Click New, enter the name, and then click Save. In Slab Shape section, you can create the shapes you work with the most. Simply click New and type the shape name, such as Custom Cut, Rectangular, or Square. In the Materials tab, the first thing you will see is a filter bar where you can search for your materials by name, classification, composition, or color. Just click Apply Filter to display the results. Below that, you'll see all the materials already registered in the system. This is where you can preset their information so that when you add them to your inventory later, details like the base price are automatically applied to the bundle when it's created. Here you can upload images and fill in the necessary fields, but they won't appear in your inventory unless you add them there as well. And you can activate, edit, or delete the material from the system. Further down, you'll find Classification, where you can create the classifications you use for your materials. Click New, enter the classification name, and use the sequence field if you want to sort materials on your website based on this order. Next to it, you'll see Composition, where you can register the types you use most, such as marble, granite, quartz, and so on. If you create a new composition or edit an existing one, you also have the option to set a sequence number. The last option is Color. Here, all you need to do is enter the names of the colors you work with in your inventory. In the Supplier tab, you can register all suppliers you work with. Click New to create a new supplier profile and fill in the details such as name, phone number, and other information. In Sales Tax, enter the location name and the tax percentage, then click Save. You can also add the supplier's address and select the materials they commonly provide. For example, I'll select Colonial Gold here, but you can choose as many materials as you need. Below that, you can add contact information, banking details, and you'll also find a small dashboard showing the supplier's best-selling materials. As you sell slabs linked to this supplier, these metrics will be updated automatically. You can scroll through the list or use the filter to locate the supplier you added. Feel free to register as many suppliers as you want. At the top of the page, there's also a filter bar to help you search more easily, either by supplier name or by the materials associated with that supplier. For example, if I select Colonial Gold and click Apply Filter, the supplier I just added, Petrus Granite, appears. To clear the search, simply click Clear. In the next video, we'll continue talking about the inventory section and move on to import bundles. I'll see you in the next tutorial.
I hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any doubts, you can contact the support team. And if you are new at SlabWare, you can go inside SlabWare.com and start a free trial right now.